Thursday or my in-person class every Sunday. I'll see y'all later.